I really wasn't sure if I was going to make this video, but this is going to be why I'm not getting an iPhone 15 Pro. Now, the reason I wasn't going to make this video is because of the simple fact that, it's an iPhone 15 Pro. I thought I was going to buy it first, honestly. But the more I think about it, this is the 14 Pro that I have right now. It works more than just fine. And one of the biggest upgrades, I believe, is actually the titanium alloy for the 15 Pro. And outside, obviously, there's more internal upgrades. I know that. But I have a case for my iPhone, and realistically, I use the case. Also, if I'm being honest, this thing right here that you turn down and turn up for silent mode, I I still have to get used to the action button, okay? My iPhone 14 Pro still has the thing I like. So give me till like the 16 Pro maybe to get used to the new action button, okay? And I know what a lot of you are going to ask. What about the USB Type C port on the bottom? Because mine has the regular Apple Lightning cable, and the newer Pros have USB Type C. Actually, even the new 15 base model has USB Type C. Well, I always use the MagSafe charging puck to charge my phone anyway, honestly, so that's not really a make or break thing for me. Now, if I wanted to, I could probably check out the new camera. I believe that's a little bit of a spec bump there and whatnot. I'm not saying that there isn't any upgrades, because there are some upgrades. I know that. I'm just saying that I do not, at this moment in time, need any of those spec upgrades, if I'm being perfectly honest. Now, that could all change like a year from now. I could wake up one day, one morning, and be like, oh, you know what I need to get? An iPhone 15 Pro. And then I could end up getting it. But as of right now, I do not see myself getting an iPhone 15 Pro. I know what you're thinking. Why bother making this video at all? Well, that's because I want to share my opinions with you guys on stuff. The iPhone 15 Pro, even though it does have some spec updates and whatnot, it is not currently worth it for me personally to upgrade. If it's worth it for you guys to upgrade, by all means. If you guys think I might not be a true Apple fan unless I upgrade, by all means to that as well. I'd like to know your guys' opinion though. Are you guys going to be upgrading? Have you already upgraded? And if you're upgrading from like a 12 Pro or an 11 Pro or even a 13 Pro, I can honestly see it as an upgrade for you guys. But upgrading from a 14 Pro does not seem like enough of an upgrade to me. So yeah, that's where I am right now on the whole thinking. Don't get me wrong, I'd love to just upgrade for the sake of upgrading, but I honestly, in my mind, cannot justify doing that. I'd love to justify doing that. I'd love to be like, hey, I'm upgrading now. Upgrading is the way to go. All the updates are for me. All the upgrades are for me. This, that. But that's not something I can justify. And I'm rambling at this point, so I will pass the hat off to you guys. Are you upgrading? Are you not upgrading? What iPhone are you upgrading from? Or are you going to be upgrading to the 14 from the 12? Because you can still upgrade, iPhones without it being the newest gen. So yeah, once again, like I've been saying, let me know comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.